This is a home that we renovated a year ago. We felt we were outgrowing our existing space, and we decided to keep an eye out for properties that would give us more room for the kids to run around, a dream kitchen. So we came across this house, and right away we knew that we wanted it. We removed 3 walls to create this beautiful open concept space. So we have one open living room where the TV is. We have one open dining room that is right beside the kitchen. That was the main goal. It's very kid family friendly. So the floors are engineered white oak that are really wipeable. Like, I've taken a cloth and wiped crayon off of them. The countertops, as much as I loved marble, I knew it was not conducive to our family and our lifestyle. This is a porcelain that is an Arabescato, and it spoke to me in the most natural way for a porcelain to look like a marble. It will not stain, it won't absorb liquid. And then the island is a white quartz, and again, is really durable. One of my favorite features is the door style on the cabinets. We did the pencil thin shaker. The shaker door is very transitional, and the flat panel is really contemporary, but this is sort of like the perfect combination. And every day I look at it and I'm just like, you're the perfect choice for this space. We just love it. I knew, because I was doing a lot of white cabinetry and white counters, that I really wanted to have this warm wood island. And I didn't want to have every single piece be white. And then as I brought in new pieces, they all have a bit of a texture or a softness to them. And so I think it was the overall vision, but it all just wound up coming together really well. Working on your own home is so challenging. For some reason, I questioned things a lot more, and I spent a lot more time on details like these lights. In all my other homes, we've done traditional hanging pendants, and I found that there was just like nothing out there that I hadn't seen a million times. So when I found this fixture specifically, I felt it has presence, but it's not really overbearing in the space. And for the dining room, I also had seen a lot of longer, larger fixtures. And because it's a bit of a narrow space, I found this light, and it really just matched almost perfectly the table length. It's almost like a piece of art in the space rather than giving off tons of light. Sometimes the fixtures themselves can be art and really elevate the space. For the back of the house, obviously you see it right when you walk in. It actually was in my head originally a different configuration. And then I realized like the French doors are really beautiful. The fireplace has a lot of potential, and it almost opened up the space. The shiplap sort of brings in the farmhouse vibe, but it's easy to purchase. It's not expensive to install. And when you pair it with the right elements, it can really elevate the room. I knew it was a place I could use natural stone, so I started looking into marble options, and I came across this stone, and I just thought it was so organic, and I saw this movement, and it wound up being the inverse of the kitchen stone, so it tied in really nicely but didn't compete or match too perfectly, and it is actually one of my favorite features of the house. Over the past few years, we've collected a lot of different artwork, and the theme tended to be black and white and music. So I decided to take everything and create this really cool organic gallery wall with different prints, but also highlighting some of the artists that we love and that we listen to. And I love sitting in that room and seeing them beside me at night. It's not overly loud. It's obviously very neutral. It's a lot of blacks and creams and whites, and I'm really happy with that. And you know, that leaves room to change things down the road. If I wanted to get more colored accents, we could do that, but I love the house.